Trending host lore goes to Masbate. One for the book. Finally, I have the opportunity to host a wedding in Katingan, known for its serene place, countryside rodeo province. Join me in this video, as we'll take a sneak of this grand talk of the town wedding. We have a splendid fine accommodation here.
Wow! Hi, Lori!
Hi, good morning. Malapit na po tayo sa Masbate. So, we need to get ready. We just arrived in Masbate po. Ooh, another first for us. And, yes, that's our sundo. Yan. Excited to be here in Masbate. Let's go. I think this is an exclusive port for the co. Lahat kasi co-shipping. Co-shipping. Oh, lahat ng bar co-shipping. Ay, sorry. Lagi. Sige pa, vlog pa more. Regard. Right, we just arrived at the venue. And at the same time, the resort of our groom's family. Bahia Vista Resort.
Kataingan na sa sir. Opo.
Entrance mo. Look at.
Nag-aasikaso ng sounds.
Binigyan na siya ng tent. Opo. Okay.
3 araw na sila walang magandang tuloy.
May party kagabi?
Opo.
Hi, ma'am.
Right hand in. Yeah, I'm on. Day, hello po na.
Hello. Hi, Lori. Lucky number 7. Hello, Sir Ed.
A few moments later.
We have actually 3 sets of venues here. This one where Nagita is the cocktail area. That one over there with the stage will be the after party venue. And we're gonna go down. Oh, where? Oh, which way? Then we're gonna go to the main venue for the reception program. Ready, eh? Going down will be the reception area. You can see the reception area already. Oh, wow. It's kind of huge. Thank you, ma'am. Supposedly lighted niyang ihaganin. As gina lang, okay naman yung mga, sabi hagdanan pa lang, may makapa. Ay, hala, wait. Ano yung entrance dad, no? Okay. So, ang stage, asam di ay. Ito, sa kadako man ano, yung maraming the whole gym. Sa kadako, bila yung guest na ni dad? 300? But look at the setup, mura mag-board na 300 ang guests. Live painting. Here we are. Hi! Live painting tayo today. Where's the technical team? Hi. Shooter daw. Sa buka, tira. Sad ko
Come away with me.
Guys, mag-white ano lang.
She my nigga for a reason. I can tell her all my secrets, cause I know that she gon' keep her.
We're gonna go for triple characters, bro. Let's go. Ooh, I think something's going on here. Why don't we play it hot and cool? Come on.
Desire, believe when I say I want it that way. Why ain't nothing but a heartache? Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake? Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way.
It's getting hot here.
Drip, drip,
It's going, boys.
as I kiss both sets and lips. Hear the sound of your body drip, drip, drip. From sleepless nights and rocking chairs, your smiling face was always there. Sa'yo, huwag kang tanggal ng lulutang, walang pupuntahan, walang dahilan.
Dong, 15 nga kiss nga may sounds. Kung sana, Dong, ano Dong? Nga may sounds para bungaw gani baliktas uno, ha? Okay, sugdan na to. Larga. Congratulations, Dong. Yan na, ikaw na po diri sa awak. Ano rin diri sa taas? Dong, diri ka na po subos. Yan na, pagpalayo na, biraha. Ay palupig. Ay palupig. What? Ay magkabati. Oh.
lipad. As in, mabalik ka din na po siya. Dili sin daw maimot ba? If ever gusto nila maghatag, dili sin daw maimot.